Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to the Finance Current Affairs session. In today's session, we are going to discuss a very important news article of finance that is regarding the Bima Sugam portal. So the RBI, that is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, it has announced that the Bima Sugam portal will be live very soon. So when it is going to be live, how it is going to be the game changer for the insurance sector. So it is being compared, the Bima Sugam portal is being compared to the UPI, that how UPI brought the revolution in the payments, in the transaction sector, the Bima Sugam portal is going to bring the revolution. It is going to be the game changer for the insurance sector. So how it is going to be the game changer for the insurance sector? What are the benefits of Bima Sugam portal? Why RBI has to bring this Bima Sugam portal? All of this we are going to discuss in this session. In single session, you will be understanding everything about the Bima Sugam portal. But before starting with the session, there is an announcement from EduTap that we have brought for you the comprehensive guidebook for the RBI Grade B, for the NABARD Grade A, for the SEBI Grade A. If you want to know anything about the examination, the pattern of the exam, the syllabus of the exam, the previous year cutoffs of the exam, all the information can be provided through a single guidebook and in such an easy way that you can understand the definitive answers very easily. Okay, as well as if you want to know about the preparation of the exam, that what are the sources of the examination and what is the strategy for the examination, all of that is provided through a single guidebook. You do not have to visit different links, you do not have to visit different websites. All the answers of your common queries can be answered through a single guidebook. Okay, and the link, this is absolutely free of cost, and this is to save your efforts, this is to save your time and to boost your preparation. So you can download this free guidebook in the description box below. So do download this free guidebook through the description box below. The link is given in the description box below, and this is surely going to boost your preparation by giving you the answers that you need regarding the examination. Okay, so now starting with the news article that the Bima Sugam is going to be a game changer for the insurance sector. This is what the RBI chairman has said. So you can understand that the insurance sector regulator, that is RBI. So it has said, its chairman has said that the Bima Sugam portal is going to be very important for the insurance sector. It is going to be a game changer for the insurance sector. So what is this Bima Sugam portal? So RBI recently has announced that the launch of the Bima Sugam portal will be happening, and it is an online platform. It is going to be an online platform, and first of all, it is going to be backed. It is going to be backed by the regulator, by the RBI itself. So RBI is going to back it, as well as it is going to be backed by the Life Insurance Council, and it is going to be backed by the General Insurance Council. So you can understand that such important organizations are backing this Bima Sugam portal, and it is going to be an online marketplace. Like in the market, you go and you can buy anything that you want. Okay, if you want to buy the watches, you can buy that. If you want to buy the clothes, you can buy that. So anything that you want, you can buy through the marketplace, and this Bima Sugam portal is going to be the online platform. It is going to be the online marketplace for the insurances. So any kind of insurance that you want, you can buy from here, from this Bima Sugam portal. So an online marketplace that will house all the companies that are selling life and non-life insurance. That is the life insurances if you want to buy, the health insurance if you want to buy, the motor insurance, the car insurance if you want to buy. All the insurances can be provided through this single portal. So if I wanted to buy a life insurance, I had to visit different agents, I had to visit different brokers. If I wanted to get the motor insurance, I had to visit different brokers and everything. But now everything will be provided at a single place. So I do not have to visit different brokers and agents and use much of my mind. So everything will be provided. It will be very useful for the customers. It will provide the ease of and convenience to the customers to get all the insurances at one place. So this is going to be live very soon. That is from 1st January 2023 onwards. Okay, this is going to be live very soon, and you have to remember the date also. Okay. So now, why was there a need for the Bima Sugam portal? So see, RBI has seen the data that there are many complaints that are coming. Okay, we can see that the banks and insurance brokers received 12,300 and 10,800 complaints respectively related to mis-selling in the financial year 2020-21, and that 68% of the complaints were rejected. So you can understand that the grievance redressal of the customers is not happening. The grievance, the complaints that the customers have, they are not being redressed by the banks or the insurance brokers, because most of the complaints are being rejected. They are not being checked. They are that what are the claims of the customer, how we can solve the problems of the customers, that is not being seen. And the problem is related to the mis-selling. Mis-selling means that the customers are not being provided the correct information regarding the policies, regarding the insurance. Okay, mis-selling via non-transparent communication. The communication is not transparent. It is not providing the full information to the customers, as well as the ADI cannot look after each and every policy that is being sold, each and every insurance that is being sold. What my broker is telling me, the I do not know, and maybe I'm not getting the complete knowledge about the policy. As well as non-awareness, even the people are not very much aware about the insurance segment, about the insurance, that what kind of insurance is better for them. Okay, usually what happens that the insurance companies, they say that okay, this kind of the health problem that you have, this is not under the policy, this is not under the insurance. So we feel cheated that we have done the health insurance so that we can claim when we want it, when we need it. But the insurance companies say that we do not provide this kind of claim, and it was for this and this much problems only. So this was happening a lot, and the complaints was being raised a lot. So the online platform now, the EDI has thought that we will bring a Bima Sugam portal that will be under the EDI, and it will be an online platform. So anything that is happening through the Bima Sugam portal, it will be under the purview, it will be under the preview of the ADI. So ADI will be able to know everything that is happening, and all the information, all the correct information will be provided through the Bima Sugam portal, because it will be under the ADI. Okay, and under the Bima Sugam portal, all the information will be provided. So the online platform will provide you with a one-stop solution. Anything you want to know, anything you want to do regarding the insurance, you can get the information, and it is a one-stop destination. It is a one-stop destination where all your insurance needs will be catered with. The providing services like buying insurance policies, if you want to buy the insurance policies, if you want to know about the insurance policies, what kind of insurance policy is there, everything you can know. Portability facility, if you think that this much coverage that I have the coverage for only 5 of the illnesses, but I want the coverage for 10 of the illnesses or for my whole health. So you can change your coverage pattern also, you can change the pricing pattern also of the policy. So you can port from one insurance policy to the other insurance policy very easily through this Bima Sugam portal. Okay, if you are not happy with the coverage, if you are not happy with the pricing, then you can easily port the facilities that you are getting, the coverage that you are getting. So change of insurance agents, if you think that the insurance agent is cheating with you, it is not providing you with good knowledge, then you can even change the insurance agent. And settling the claims, so under the Bima Sugam portal, you can even settle the claims, even you can file the complaints, and your complaints will be redressed, your complaints will be seen through. So you can understand that through a single platform, all the services in the insurance sector will be provided, and that also under the guidance, under the preview of the regulator. Okay, so now web aggregators, see, web aggregators, they are the ones that provide that compile and they provide the information regarding the insurance policies of different companies. So web aggregators, then there are brokers. Brokers are representing the customer, they represent the customer, and agents, they represent the companies. Okay, so you have to understand this also, that the brokers represent the customer and the agents represent the company. So brokers are hired by the customers directly. So brokers, banks, insurance agents, the web aggregators, all will be in the Bima Sugam portal. So all can become a part of the Bima Sugam portal, and they will act as facilitators in selling insurance policies. So if you do not have the knowledge that you can buy the policies directly, you can take the help of the agents, you can take the help of the brokers, and you can buy the policies. Okay, so the Bima Sugam portal is providing everything to you. The Bima Sugam platform will provide all these facilities of the web aggregators, of the brokers, of the banks, of the insurance agents. All these services, facilities to the policy holders, to the customers will be provided, and they need to have an e-insurance account. The policy holders or the customers will have an e-insurance account. Okay. The policy holder will be able to buy the product through assisted mode, like or directly. If they want to buy the insurance policy directly. Like I am reading the policies of 5 companies and I am judging myself that which policy is best for me, then I can buy it directly, that I want to buy from this particular company. But if a person do not have that much time to read the policies of each and every company, if the person do not have that much knowledge, so the policy holder can have the assisted mode where it will hire a broker, and the broker will tell to the customer that this is the best policy for your needs, that what you want. Okay, so it can happen in the assisted mode also, it can happen directly also. You can buy through assisted mode or directly. Many people may prefer the assisted mode and can take the help of one of the intermediaries, that is brokers, agents or something. So stakeholders, now in the Bima Sugam portal, who will be the stakeholders? So the Life Insurance Council, the General Insurance Council, the online PSB, which has a major role in building the Bima Sugam portal, okay, and the brokers. So this is the stakeholding that will be with these. So the Life Insurance Council and the General Insurance Council will have 30% each. The online PSB will have 35% and the Brokers Association will have 5%. So this is the stakeholders. Remember the stakeholders also, a question can directly come from this also. So now what are the benefits? What is the benefit of the Bima Sugam portal? So the Bima Sugam will leverage the prospect of having a centralized database. So now when the insurance was sold, there was no single centralized database that was provided. But now through the Bima Sugam portal, all the companies will be present in the Bima Sugam portal, and it is allowed to all the companies to be present in the Bima Sugam portal. So it can create a centralized database where all the insurance that are being sold, the complaints that are being raised, all of that information is present in the single database. So through the single database, it can be seen that if I am raising the complaint, how many policies I have, in which policy I have the complaint, against which company I have the complaint. So all of that can be seen through the centralized database. I do not have to go to the company with my physical documents and then claim, and that can be like rafa-dafa easily. So the company can say, okay, this we are not going to see. But in the Bima Sugam portal, the complaints are raised in the portal only, and through the portal the centralized database is there where all the information can be easily checked, okay, and it is directly under the EDI. So you can understand that it will be harder for the companies to resolve or to just not see the complaints that are being raised. It will assist the insured buyers facing challenges. So the Bima Sugam portal is going to help the buyers, the buyers facing challenges with existing insurers or agents. If the existing insurers or agents, they are creating some problem, they are creating the challenges for the buyers can directly get the assistance from the Bima Sugam portal to port their respective policies based on coverage and pricing. So if the customer think that I want a different coverage, if I want different pricing, if I want different policy, then what the customer can do? It can port its services. It can change to a different coverage, to a different pricing. Okay. It will offer a window. The Bima Sugam portal is going to offer a window to view all the policies, details and renewable dates. So a centralized database is there through which the policy holder can know that, okay, I have this much of the policies, I have 3 policies, and 1 policy is for the life insurance, 1 is for health insurance, 1 is for car insurance, and my renewal dates are when, the details are what. So all of that information can be provided through a single database. Okay, so the centralized database is going to provide all the information that the policy holders want to know regarding themselves, also regarding their policies. The platform will help reduce commissions because there is going to be such competition in the Bima Sugam portal, as well as I can buy the policies myself. So there is going to be a high competition in the Bima Sugam portal, and that's why the commissions are going to be reduced, and the EDI will also be looking after the Bima Sugam portal. So you can understand that the commissions will directly reduce. Paid to the intermediaries will not be able to charge the exuberant prices, the exuberant commission that it was charging before. Hence, you can select the best suitable product at an appropriate premium price. The platform will give buyers a wide choice. From different companies will be available, different agents will be available, so you can understand and you can get the policy of whichever company you want. There is a wider choice that is provided. by making it easy for the customers all over the country to get insurance. So as well as it will extend the reach of the insurance sector also, okay, because it will become easier, it will become convenient, it will become cheaper to get the insurance, as well as you will be provided with the correct information, you will be provided with a better information. The agents will not be able to cheat, or any intermediary will not be able to cheat with you, because you can directly see the policies that you have, you can directly see the coverage, you can even change the coverage if you want. So you will be in a better state of mind that to buy a insurance, that you will feel more relieved that okay, someone is looking after us, okay. To get the insurance, this tech-driven portal will help increase the insurance penetration in the country. It will provide a better platform for the people to get the insurance, okay. So now, how will it work? The platform is going to be end-to-end digitalized of the insurance selling ecosystem. So end-to-end digitalization of the insurance system will happen. The selected repositories, that is the database, can help maintain the insurance policies of the policyholder. I do not have to have the physical documents. All my policies will be seen through a centralized database. Even of my family, I can see that okay, this much policies I have for my family. Policyholders will have their e-Bima or e-insurance accounts, wherein they can view their policies and file a claim. If they want to raise a complaint, I have told you that through the centralized repository, through the centralized database, they can raise a complaint against any of their policies if there is some problem, okay. It is aimed at facilitating, so this centralized depository or this centralized database or centralized repository, it is aimed at facilitating more safety, as there is no requirement for maintaining and safekeeping the physical document. The companies can say that we have lost the documents or something, but here it cannot happen, okay. Creates ease for the policyholder at the time of renewal with no paperwork. So the policyholders can directly see through the database that what are their policies and when is the date of their expiry. Usually we get like, I have the insurance for my car or scooty and I forget that okay, when it is going to expire, but and I'm in some other state, my scooty is in some other state, so I usually am not able to see the documents that okay, this is the renewal date or this is the expiry date. But through the database, now in whichever state I am, whichever state the papers are, that doesn't matter. Through a centralized database, I can see that okay, this is my policy and it is going to be expiry at this date, so I have to do the renewal before that, okay. So now this is the summary that is here. The policyholders will be able to buy the insurance products directly or through the assisted mode. If you are comfortable directly, you can buy it, or through the assisted mode also, through the intermediaries, you can buy it. So all the intermediaries will be able to access the Bima Sugam. They will be able to come under the Bima Sugam. There will be a variety of products and that you can choose from. Know your customer. The KYC will be done through your Aadhaar number. You do not have to put much of your data, only the Aadhaar number you have to put, and the data will auto populate, that data will come itself when you put your Aadhaar number. The platform will be launched by RBI on January 1st, 2023. This is very important. You have to remember this. So I hope you have understood about the Bima Sugam, and this is the question that I hope you can easily answer. You have to remember the stakeholders. You have to remember the name of the portal. Usually students forget that. So as well as the features of the portal. Okay. So all of this is enough for the Bima Sugam portal. I hope you have understood this news article very clearly, and these were the people that were able to give the right answer of the previous session question. Yash, Anand, Piyush, Harsha, Rajat, Elsa, Ayushman, Himanshu, Tanya, Pranshul and Regunanthan. So they were able to give the right answer of the previous session question. I'm so happy to see that so many of you are giving the answers. They are able to understand the news article. That is really nice to see. And all the information regarding the Bima Sugam portal is provided in this PDF, and you can download this PDF through the Telegram channel. The PDF will be uploaded in the Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description box. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to get such kind of videos for the preparation that you are doing of the examination. Okay. So if you have any query, you can mail us here or you can contact us through this number. Thank you very much.